16 uses for WD-40 everyone should know. You've probably had WD-40 stashed in your garage or toolbox for years. If not, you're about to discover the wonders of this handy product. WD-40 is a multi-purpose lubricant, often used to loosen rusty nuts and bolts, but it has many other uses. If you're wondering what else you can do with this stuff, you need to watch this video. We're about to show you 16 clever ways to use WD-40 that you should definitely know about. Number 1. Clean stainless steel. Stainless steel is a beautiful material, but it can be hard to keep clean. The good news is that WD-40 will make it look new again. Spray a bit on a rag and then wipe your stainless steel surfaces. The oil in this product will help remove any stains and marks, and it will even add a protective barrier that will prevent future stains. Number 2. Remove strong glue. Removing glue from your hands can be a real nightmare. No matter how hard you scrub, the glue just won't come off. But all hope is not lost. WD-40 is here to save the day. Just spray some on your hands and rub it in a circular motion. The glue will magically dissolve. Oh, and by the way, this works on other surfaces as well. Number 3. Waterproof leather shoes. Waterproof shoes are great for a variety of reasons. They keep your feet warm and dry in the winter and protect them from water during rainy days. But most shoes are not waterproof. If you're worried about getting your leather shoes wet, coating them with WD-40 will give them a temporary water-resistant property. Just be sure to avoid spraying it on the glue holding the upper part to the sole. You can also use this to waterproof any other leather or leather-like items. Number 4. Keep wasps from building nests. If you're like most people, you're probably not a fan of wasps. Fortunately, there's a simple way to keep those harassing creatures away. If you have an area of your home that is prone to wasp infestations, such as your porch or shed, you can spray a small amount of WD-40 around the area where they like to build their nests. The slippery texture of this product will make them uncomfortable, so they will move away and find another spot. What's more, WD-40 can keep spiders and other insects out. Spray some on your windowsills, door frames, or other places where pests tend to get in. Number 5. Make painting easier. When painting, WD-40 is a handy tool that can help you get the job done easier. It can help loosen that stubborn paint lid so it won't keep getting stuck. It's also excellent at removing dry paint drops from floors and even from your hands. And if your paintbrush has been sitting around for too long and its bristles are dry and brittle, spray on some WD-40. They will be nice and soft again, ready for their next use. As a bonus, it will be easier to clean the brush if you pre-treat it with WD-40. Number 6. Remove wax from candle holders. Are your candle holders looking like they've been the victim of some kind of wax-based crime? Don't worry, WD-40 can help you get rid of this mess in no time. Just spray it on, let it sit for a few minutes, and then wipe off any residue with a damp cloth. It's really that easy. Number 7. Clean the shower head. If you haven't cleaned your shower head in a while, it's likely looking pretty gross. But I've got a solution for that. WD-40 can be used to clean your shower head, remove rust and grime, and make it shine like new. Just spray it on and let it sit for a few minutes before scrubbing it clean with a plastic bristle brush. This method works on toilet bowls too. But note that if the rust stains are old and particularly stubborn, you may need to repeat the process. Number 8. Loosen a stuck ring. If you're sweating bullets trying to get that ring off your finger and it won't budge, grab some WD-40 and spray it around the ring. The oil will lubricate it, making it easier for you to slip it off your finger. You can also use WD-40 to untangle knotted jewelry. Just spray the area where the jewelry has gotten tangled and gently rub it onto the chains and knots. They will easily slip apart without causing any damage. Number 9. Remove gum from just about anything. Whether you step in it, or some dumbass spits it out and it lands in your hair, having gum stuck on any surface is super frustrating. There's no reason to panic though. Next time you find yourself in this sticky situation, know that WD-40 has your back. Just spray a little bit on the gum and let it sit for a few minutes. Then use a butter knife or other flat edge to scrape it off. Number 10. Spruce up your artificial plants. Artificial plants are the best option if you're a bit of a neat freak and need to keep your home looking pristine. But even though they're usually easy to keep clean, they can get dusty and lose their shine over time. If you're looking to spruce them up, WD-40 is the way to go. Just spray some on the leaves or branches and buff them shiny with a clean cloth. Number 11. Keep wooden tool handles splinter-free. Wooden tool handles are a great way to reduce weight and increase durability, but they can be prone to splinters if not properly cared for. And when you're working with such tools, the last thing you want is a splinter. That's why WD-40 is so great at keeping your tools in good condition. The oil protects the wood from moisture and helps prevent cracking and splintering. Just spray some on, buff it with a clean cloth, and you're ready to go. Number 12. Shine and protect your garden gnomes, statues, and ornaments. A light coating of WD-40 can go a long way in protecting your outdoor statues from the elements. The oil helps prevent rust and corrosion while adding a lovely shine. You can also use WD-40 on other outdoor surfaces that might otherwise rust in the rain, such as metal, or get dirty with dust, like plastic. Number 13. Fix a stuck zipper. This is a common issue, and it can be very frustrating. But WD-40 can easily get your zippers unstuck on clothes, bags, and suitcases. Simply spray some on the zipper and rub it with your finger. The lubricants will loosen up the stuck zipper and allow it to slide back up or down with ease. Problem solved. Number 14. Condition leather furniture. If you've got some leather furniture, you know that the condition of it depends on how well you treat it. Literally. Turns out, WD-40 can help you maintain this type of material so that it stays in top shape and lasts longer. It's a simple process. All you need to do is spray some on your furniture and buff it into the leather. This will moisturize it, making it feel smooth again, and it will protect it from cracking or fading. Number 15. Keep grass from sticking to lawnmower blades. Are you tired of grass sticking to the blades of your lawnmower? If so, WD-40 may be the solution for you. Spray the blades and wipe them down after each use. You'll notice a significant difference. Number 16. Cope with snowy weather. If you're one of those people who can't stand to be snowed in, here's a tip for you. Spray the windows of your house with WD-40, and it'll help prevent the buildup of snow on them. And while you're at it, spray some on your shovels too. The snow will slide off more easily. There you have it, cheap and easy. WD-40 has a lot of awesome uses around the house. Hopefully, this list has inspired you to try these life hacks and see for yourself. Thanks for watching. If you thought this video offered some useful information, give it a like and share it with your friends. It allows us to create more great content. If you want to see more videos from us, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a post.